What's up guys, Sal here. So it's a well-known fact at this point that Apple is switching to USB-C from the Lightning port on the iPhone 15 lineup. When the world moved to USB-C as the next charging standard, Apple adamantly stuck to its inferior Lightning port. Switching to USB-C would mean that Apple would lose out on the revenue it makes from every Lightning cable and accessory that works with the iPhone, Apple made or not, along with the control it has over what kinds of hardware does get to exist for the iPhone and which companies get to make them. Simply put, the biggest reason Apple has refused to make a USB-C iPhone thus far is the money that they get from licensing their tech. But the EU said enough is enough. They announced all smartphones, including iPhones, would require to adopt USB-C ports for charging. Apple complied and said they would bring USB-C to the iPhone 15 lineup. Everyone was happy as this would simplify charging setups for the millions of iPhones owners around the world. But then we got this report today citing Weibo sources that Apple will for sure switch to USB-C with the iPhone 15 lineup, but there's a catch. Apple will install a custom chip inside the cable which would limit the compatibility with accessories that are not approved by Apple. If it sounds familiar, this is exactly how the Lightning cable works. The authentication process built into the Lightning interface is what causes this accessory is not supported warnings to appear if the accessory is not made by Apple or if it's not licensed by Apple. This means if you have a USB-C cable from Samsung or any other company that is not certified by Apple, it may not work with the iPhone 15 even though it's still USB-C, which is ridiculous. Typical Apple money-making behavior at best.
Man, this is some bull. Boo this man!
This also means Apple can totally restrict certain features such as fast charging and high-speed data transfer to only certain devices, which is exactly what they're doing with the iPhone 15 lineup. The regular 15 and 15 Plus will get USB 2.0 speeds, while the 15 Pro and Ultra will get USB 3.0 speeds. If the rumor is indeed true, I hope the EU will step in, as this would contradict the entire reason for requiring USB-C as a universal connection. Let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.